The negative effects of BMW PCV valve failure on engine performance from experts in Simi Valley. The positive crankcase ventilation PCV valve plays a critical role in controlling emissions from your BMW. However, failure of the PCV valve can have adverse effects on the smooth running and better performance of the car. Here are the negative effects of a failing PCV valve on your high-end BMW. Decreased miles per gallon. One of the negative effects of a bad PCV valve in your BMW is witnessed when the fuel mileage of the vehicle dips drastically. Your BMW has a fixed miles per gallon both for driving in the city and on the highway, and any deviation from this should draw your attention. If you happen to visit the fuel station more often than you used to do previously, then it is due to a faulty PCV valve. Poor performance. The malfunctioning of the PCV valve casts an adverse effect on the performance of your high-end vehicle. The PCV valve helps in rerouting unburnt fuel present in the exhaust gases back into the engine for an efficient combustion process. Due to the failure of the PCV valve, there is a buildup of pressure in the engine which takes a toll on the performance of the car. Smoke from exhaust. All modern cars, including your BMW, come equipped with advanced emission control systems like PCV valves. The failure of the PCV valve will lead to the emission of a huge quantity of exhaust smoke from the exhaust pipe of your car. Most drivers report witnessing the emission of black-colored smoke from the tailpipe of their car. Unusual noise from the engine. Due to a malfunctioning PCV valve, you are going to hear a hissing, whistling, or whining noise coming from the engine. The hissing sound is mostly caused due to a leak in the hose connecting your PCV valve to the engine. Whenever you get to hear any of these abnormal sounds, then you must straight away head to a BMW specialist to replace the PCV valve. Conclusion. These are some of the negative effects of a faulty PCV valve on the performance of your BMW. Get in touch with a certified repair shop to get your BMW inspected and fixed at the earliest.